Hey guys, I'm back with another edition of your Monday Market Update, bringing you information on the local market and what's happening in this past week. As we wrap up April and head into May, we have 45 homes active on market with an average list price of $249,000. We had 20 homes hit market this past week, which is fantastic, continuing to fill the pipeline for our inventory, which is going to help those buyers out there. We have 95 homes under contract. Again, those numbers have remained the same, anywhere between 90 and 100 homes under contract pretty much at any given time since the beginning of the year. We had 16 sales this past week, which is great, with an average list of $162,000 with an average sale price of $156,000. This is the first time where we've seen a little bit more of a variance between the sale price and the list price. So I don't expect that to deviate much more than that, but interesting that we're just now kind of seeing a little bit more of a gap there. We have an average of 80 days on market. So overall, guys, still about the same each week with an average inventory of 40 to 50 homes on market, 90 to 100 homes under contract, and then we're continuing to see anywhere from 10 to 20 homes hit market each week. But again, those are going under contract just as soon as they're hitting market if they're a good home and priced to sell. Something to keep in mind, I'm tracking this inventory and our market on a weekly basis. So I really know what's going on. I'm gonna be able to help you on the list side and the buy side because I know the inventory, I know the homes. We're out there every day studying this. We're helping our buyers get into homes that aren't yet on market. So we're really in tune of what's going on, and we would love to help you guys at the Tomlinson Group. So if you're looking to buy or sell, please give us a call and we'll be happy to help.